Hello students, welcome to new chapter again. Our today's chapter is Up You Go. This is complete worksheet for your different types of exams. So let's start on by on. Question on, choose the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Student, here is given some option. You need to find out the correct word to fill in this for fill in the blanks. Question A, dash of the director of the adventure course. It is Brigadier Gansing as the director of the adventure course. This all question coming from your chapters Up You Go. If you practice very carefully, it is helpful for your study. Then question B, Sangita had dash on her feet. It is option is blisters. Sangita had blisters on her feet. Then Sangita was made the dash of group number 7 leader. Sangita was made the group leader. Yes, so here is leader. The leader is correct option for question C. Student, at first write the question, then write the answer on by on. Then question D, the rope was tightly fixed to dash or dash on both sides. It is pegs and pitons. So here is it is pegs. At first here is pegs and here is pitons. Okay. When you practice very carefully. Okay. Then in question number 2. Question number 2 we need to write true or false. Let's check on by on. There is a campfire on the first day of a camp. It is false. It is, so we need to write A. Then a group leader walk ahead of the group. No, it is also false. There is no discipline in a camp. It is also false because there is more discipline in a camp. Then Basinti Pal was the first Indian woman to go on the moon. No. It is also false because Basinti Pal was the first Indian woman to go on the not moon, in the mountain Everest. Okay, then take the correct answer. Question number A, what is most important responsibility of a leader? We need to find out the correct on. Okay, to own responsibility even when someone else has made a mistake. Yes, option 2 is correct answer for question number A. Okay, then let's check question number B. Why do we need extra energy in the mountains? The climate of mountains is generally cold. Our body needs extra energy to keep itself warm. Yes, option C is correct answer. Then question C, why was drain dug around the tent? The correct answer will be water would flow down the tent roof into the drain if it rains. So option A is correct answer for question number C. Then question D, take the food items that are preferable during mount training. What is the correct answer? Glucose biscuit. Yes, because pizza, jaggery, burger, it is not appropriate for mountaineering. Okay, then in question number 4 we need to tick on the responsibility of qualities that a leader should possess. Okay, let's check on by on. Help other in carrying their bags. Tell everyone to do their work on their own. No, A option is correct option. So A is correct. Then in question 2, always walk in front without waiting for the group. No, it is wrong. So let the group go ahead and keep it last. Option B is correct answer. Then let the members look after themselves in their own. No, look after those who are not well. Yes, option B is correct option. Then leader is not supposed to arrange food for the group. No, it is not correct. Arrange food for the group. Yes, option B is correct answer. Okay, let's check question number 5. Tick the correct option. The chapter Up You Go is based on the experience of Sangeeta Arora, Basindri Pal, Sunita Williams, or Kalpana Chawla? The answer will be Sangeeta Arora. This is written Up You Go is based on the experience of Sangeeta Arora. Then bags used by mountaineers are called rucksack, rucksack, rickshaw or rucksack. This answer will be rucksack. It is very important. Every time will be come. Then in which country Mount Everest is located? Nepal, India, China or Pakistan? The answer will be Nepal, because Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Okay. Then what about next question? Dash was the first Indian woman to climb on Mount Everest. This answer will be Basindri Pal. Okay. So student, this all for today's class. We will meet our next class. So thank you all of you.